family.
No.
Say hi.
Say hi.
No.
Okay, he doesn't want to say hi. Bubba, say hi. There's Daddy. Hey family, welcome to the weekend. We are at Waffle House, getting our grub on.
No.
Thank you so much for returning back to the channel. If you are new here, please be sure to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and leave a comment below.
What are you doing?
What you doing, buddy?
He got one on the side of his face.
Yeah. So this morning, these boys were up fighting, giving me a hard time. Look at his face.
On the side of his face.
And then look at Connor's face. See that?
That ain't fun.
And look at Carson's face right here. So ridiculous. So ridiculous. I'm talking about everything, fighting over everything. I'm like, why? Why are we doing this?
Gray. Your hair
But
gray.
we're just waiting on our food, so we're just gonna sit here and chill until it comes out. So here's our food, guys. We already started grubbing. We got these hash brown bowls. Booze has egg, tomato, jalapeno, ketchup in it, some waffles. They're smashing. This one, per usual. I got a hash brown bowl too, and then I got this little raisin toast. That's pretty good. So these boys are so hilarious. Where does that come from? Like, what song does that?
What's her name? Lil Ma.
Lil Ma.
Lil M.A. I don't
Oh.
know how to pronounce her name. I'm old now.
Look, he's still up here doing it, you guys. Yeah, you are.
I can't think of the song name, but
Say hey,
it
family.
was her most popular single.
Ooh. Look at Daddy and Bubba over there. We've made it back home, guys. We're not doing too much. These boys over here all up in my grill. Connor, say hi. Carson, what's that around your neck? We know they're obsessed with their little sock puppets.
Give it. No, I was about to say, don't take it.
But we're not doing anything.
Daddy trying to sleep.
Daddy called himself trying to sleep, but these boys won't allow such a thing. We're getting ready. No, we're not getting ready to do anything. Can you not touch the camera? Thank you. But Daddy's getting ready to go to work in a minute. But we don't have too much planned for today. It is a very rainy day. I was going to go out there and show you guys the update on the garden, but I just don't feel like walking to the backyard. That's fairly lazy, even though I can show you from my back room, from the window. But I'll show you that tomorrow. I don't think it's supposed to be raining, but I got to get up bright and early tomorrow for graduation because I have to dress up in my regalia. If you guys don't know, I'm a researcher and a professor, so I have to participate in graduation, which is okay, but I'm not excited about waking up early on a Saturday morning. That's for sure. Do you have to play with that? You guys have kids that play with things that are not toys or, you know, unusual things. You just be like, this is not a toy. Why are you playing with this empty box? Why are you playing with a stick or an empty bowl? But I guess that's just what kids do. Bubba Bear, say hi.
Hi.
You say hi, Bubba Bear. Say hi to the family. Say hi, family. I don't know what. Connor got this little weird breakout on his nose. I don't know if you guys can see it. No, they don't want to see that. They don't want to see that. Carson, say hello. You don't have to touch the camera to say hello. Yeah, I told him about them fighting when we were in Waffle House. They're just not the best of friends today. And I guess that happens when you got 3 boys, right? So I just took the railing off of Grayson's bed And of course, the twins think that is theirs, but he now has a big boy bed until we get them actual real toddler beds. Get out of his bed. Can he jump in his own bed? But my cousins are supposed to be coming back over. They were here for a little bit earlier, but they're supposed to be coming back over so we can cook some dinner. It's not gonna be anything too major. I believe we're gonna do nachos. That was my suggestion. So let's see if anyone listens to Queen. This is my cousin Mariah, and we are having nachos for dinner. You just said you wanted to be in the vlog, Netta? Say hey, Netta. We're getting ready to smash on some nachos. So we're using Doritos, and we have ground turkey here. Barely. And somebody brought cookies, even though this wasn't supposed to be in the plan. Some cheese and pico de gallo and some sour cream. This is their doing. Me, when I do it up, I need lettuce, tomato,
beans, green potatoes, tomatoes,
she's irritating, y'all. This is not for show. This is her all the time in real life. Her too, crazy. But we're just getting ready to just hang out for a little bit and grub. So here's the final product of my plate, you guys. I'm about to smash. Hey family, just got back from graduation. We are now at the barbershop. Daddy's about to get a haircut. Boys need a haircut, but they're not getting a haircut today. They're smashing on some Wendy's. We occasionally let them eat fast food. Bye-bye.
Occasionally, inconveniently. Right.
Look, notice he's the one standing by the bag. He like, I gotta guard the food. Bye-bye. Say hey, family.
Hey, it's about to be great.
The twins are dressed alike today. This is Connor, and this is Carson. And of course, we know who Grayson is. Everyone can tell him apart. We're just sitting here waiting for Daddy to get his haircut. So we're leaving the barber shop, and Grayson does not like curves.
Gray. Look.
He will not step down for anything, and it's the most hilarious thing ever.
Come on, big guy.
See if he'll try to do it without your help.
I am about to get him to the curb. Come on.
He like, I ain't falling for this, Daddy.
Come on.
This is nonsense.
He grabbed and tightened him up. Come on, man.
He will not step down.
Leave.
We're gonna leave you, buddy. Go, buddy. Step down.
Come on, man.
He is like, not happening. He don't care to get left. Oh my God, good. A bird just pooped in my hair.
It's not like a lot at all.
Oh my gosh, I don't see you, babe.
Cause I got it.
Oh, ew. This is nasty. Oh my God. I gotta wash my hair. Oh my God, this is so gross. Oh my gosh.
It might not have been poop though.
Oh, it wasn't poop.
I don't know. I don't know what it was. It wasn't a whole bunch or whatever it was.
Oh my gosh.
Come on, man.
Hey family, we are getting ready to head to one of our kids that graduated, their little graduation get together barbecue. They're just enjoying the water.
I'm about to put my feet in the water.
Because he's so country.
Somebody bring me a towel so I can use it to dry off.
Oh my Lord. Getting ready to put his feet in this creek. Ain't this what you call this, a creek, or is it a stream?
Just water.
Just water. I think it's a creek. Look
It's water.
how far it goes back. And it goes all the way down there too. Like, it's real far. My husband is country, guys. Even though this is, you know, nature, I don't think you really have to be country to enjoy nature. It's cold. He is something else, you guys.
That was a good one.
Here's the graduate, guys.
Where you going?
Ashley, our other kid.
Hi.
She's nervous about them being over. She's nervous about the boys being over here. It's not too bad.
No, this is too bad.
This is the other graduate, Desiree.
Okay.
Here's her cap.
Well, me and her, Desiree had just
Look, this finna be a breeze. That is so funny,
Family. The boys are sitting here eating their breakfast. Pancakes is what they usually request, and then I made them some sausage, some turkey sausage on the side. Say hi, big boy. Grayson has graced the boys with his presence at the big boy table. He's been sitting here for about almost a week now. I think last week is when we started putting him at the table with the boys, because that high chair is getting ridiculous. But I'm making me and Miguel some breakfast. I got some salmon in the oven, and then I'm gonna scramble some eggs and top it off with some pico de gallo. Happy Mother's Day to all of you moms out there, acting moms. If you're any type of motherly figure in someone's life, happy Mother's Day to you guys. We don't have too much planned for the day. Costco probably per usual. And that's just about it. I'm just gonna sit down and not do anything. So, did you guys have fun yesterday at the park? I don't know what this boy is doing. Can you sit down, please? Your brother is imitating you. I need you to sit down. Once again, guys. All right, buddy. He finally did it all by himself.
Come on, big guy.
It's such a beautiful day out here. We are getting ready to head to Costco.
I'm such a beautiful man. This is such a beautiful woman.
Uh-oh, buddy. Try again. Hey family, we've made it back from Costco. We didn't get too much. We got wipes, some garlic chicken pasta, laundry detergent, and what else did we get? Oh, Crustable things. Have you guys kids ever tried that? We've never tried these with the boys, but it's gonna be our first time trying them. Try to give them something different every once in a while. But these here These little Smuckers Crustables, well, Uncrustables. I call them Crustables. And then I stopped at Kroger and got, come on, stay in here. Whatever. Then we stopped at Kroger and got these little Magnum ice cream bars. They are so good. Love those. And got me a pack of crab legs that I'm going to smash on all by myself because I'm the only one that eats them. My husband does not like to work for his food. So I'm going to enjoy that. But we don't have anything planned for the rest of the evening. We are currently watching the Golden State San Antonio game. We are Golden State Warrior fans. Go Warriors. But that's it. We're gonna chill for the rest of the evening. Be sure to subscribe to the channel before you guys leave. Give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys next weekend. Peace. Peace. Say peace, guys. This little peace sign. He be struggling. You gonna say peace? Bye-bye. What about you? Alright, guys.